Hello friends, this is Prince William. This is the video for ninth experiment of Java Programming Lab. So in this video I'm going to talk about Applet. So using Applet you can create anything in graphic user interface, any shapes or any creativity you can draw in using the Applet. So I want to show you uh, so here using this applet I have drawn here a sun, earth, and the earth is revolving around the sun and the background is green. So you can create anything using applet. Mainly it's used for web development and web design. So yeah, to draw this thing I've used here class called ss, which extends applet. Always you have to, for using applet, you have to extend applet and you have to import java.applet.start. And to move things around in the interface in the applet, you have to use the thread. You have to use the thread concept here. So for that I'm implementing the same class to with runnable, so as to define the public void run method. So in this as you know, there are some basic methods or principles, life cycles present in applet. So first of all is the init method. Init method means it's short form for initialization. So here I have initialized the set size, the size of the applet, that is 400 height and 300 width. Set background equal new color. Color is the method for uh, color is the method for which is taken from the class applet. So I have defined here set of parameters for this method color, which gives that green dark green background in the applet. So in the start, next is the start method. In this I'm actually creating a thread and I'm using that thread object to uh, start the function of that thread. Now this you can see here in the void run method, thread dot current thread dot set priority. I have here set the priority as minimum priority, and using some conditions I am able to revolve the earth around the sun. It's not perfect, but it's actually coming, it's revolving quite good. So actually I am here incrementing and decrementing x and y positions of the earth around the sun. So like if the x-axis, if the value of x is greater than 225, y will be starting decrement. So increment. So y will increment, actually the earth will come down. Earth will come down like here. The earth is coming down and just revolving. So I'm using this set of conditions for x and y axis so that the earth is revolving. That you have to see while doing the program. You can check by keeping the conditions, and you can check whether it's revolving correctly or it's in the right path or not. So here in the paint method, this is the third life cycle, as you can say. Paint method, here I have drawn here I have used several methods of the object graphics: g dot draw oval and g dot fill oval. Fill oval actually is used to get the oval which is filled with color. It's not, but draw oval only gets us the outline of the oval. So with the draw oval and fill oval, you can actually draw a circle by giving the height and width as same. And this first two parameters are actually the xy positions of the oval. So this actually is for the sun and this is for the earth. So I've used the color yellow for the sun, color dot yellow, and earth, for earth it's blue. So here, as you can see, for earth I have not set any xy positions. It's not static. I've used here variables x and y so as to move the earth as I want to in particular path. So these x and y I'm using here as the conditions to move the earth so that the earth is revolving around the sun. And you have to remember that you have to use repaint method after just running the thread, so as it can carry on with the movement or with the path. And thread dot sleep actually gives you it slows down the speed of the motion. So according to your visibility, you can actually control the speed of the earth with the thread dot sleep method. So yeah, basically with this it's a very basic applet, so you can just draw using this applet. Thank you for watching my video.